All right, here's our state campsite. And it's got water and electric, no sewer. We have to dump on the way out, but that's cool. It was nice just having the water and the electric. The place we're going to from here is actually a federal campsite we're going to. And it only has electric, so we got to make sure everything's tip-top before we get in there. And then we go down to the Everglades. And we'll be there. But this is a nice little spot. I like the state campgrounds. It's the first time we've ever brought the motorhome. Usually we have the motorcycles in the tents or the car in tents. Usually we're tent camping. It's the first time we've taken the motorhome into a state campground here in Florida. Anyhow, we're getting ready to pack up, pull the jacks up, unplug, and get out of here. Well, we're at what's this called? The Big Cypress National Preserve, Midway Campground. It's down here on 41. We're still headed towards the Flamingo down in the Everglades. We got the motorhome this time, not the motorcycles. It's a little different for us this time because we do have the motorhome. It's a little more comfortable, but we wanted to come down one more time before we leave Florida. We're leaving probably next month. We're going to start heading west, and we're going back to work camping. So hopefully things work out the way they've been working, and we'll be out of here by the 1st of the month, 1st of February. But I guess we'll have to see how it works out. So we're here in the Everglades, lot 7. I like these spots here because they're wide open. They're a little more open than a regular campground, like a KOA or you know, a lot of your private campgrounds. But yeah, we've been here 4 days, and we'll be leaving here tomorrow. We're heading to Kissimmee to a KOA there, and then we'll be on the way back to where we park here in Florida for a couple weeks, and then we head west.